The Oliver Hazard Perry class guided missile frigates, known simply as the Perry class or FFG-7 class, entered service with the U.S. Navy starting in 1977 and quickly became one of the most successful and cost-effective frigate designs in modern naval history. At a time when the Cold War demanded a large number of affordable escorts to protect convoys, screen amphibious groups, and conduct anti-submarine warfare across the Atlantic and Pacific, the Perry class delivered exactly what was needed without breaking the budget. With 51 ships built for the U.S. Navy alone and additional variants exported to countries like Australia, Spain, Turkey, Taiwan, Egypt, Pakistan, Bahrain, and Poland, the class achieved unmatched production scale for a guided missile frigate. Each ship cost roughly $100 to $150 million in 1980s dollars, equivalent to about $300 to $450 million today, making it dramatically cheaper than contemporary destroyers like the Spruance class, yet far more capable than the older Knox-class frigates it replaced. What made the Perry truly perfect for its era was its balanced, no-nonsense design philosophy. It featured a single LM2 500 gas turbine for high-speed dashes up to 29 knots and diesel engines for efficient cruising, resulting in excellent fuel economy and much lower maintenance demands than twin-shaft designs. The weapons fit was practical and versatile. A 76mm Otto Melara gun for surface and shore bombardment. The Mk-13 launcher for Harpoon anti-ship missiles, and SM-1MR medium-range air defense missiles, later removed on many ships as threats evolved. Mk-32 triple torpedo tubes, ASROC launchers for anti-submarine rockets, and, most importantly, two SH-60B Seahawk helicopters that gave it unmatched ASW reach and flexibility compared to any other frigate of the time. The AN/SPS-49 air search radar and Mk-92 fire control system provided solid air defense capability without the complexity and cost of a full Aegis suite, perfectly suiting the Perry's role as a convoy escort and presence platform rather than a fleet air defense flagship.